There is a certain subject that is being discussed about quite often. This is about the ethics of getting a virginity restoration or a hymenography done. Would it be correct for a girl to come to a clinic and or a hospital and get this surgery done? By doing that, isn't she trying to deceive somebody? Isn't there an element of fraud in this? So that is a question that is being asked. However, let's take the position that it is deception. If so, there are certain other questions we will have to ask. A girl can be raped. Is that fair? Is it ethical? Sometimes girls can get raped when they are little, during their childhood. They can be subjected to rape, child abuse, at an age that they don't even know what is happening. Is that fair? Is that ethical? We will also have to ask if a relationship broke down due to this deception or due to pressure from some other party or due to incompatibilities of perhaps caste, maybe religion, maybe the social status, maybe the nationality. There was opposition from parents and the others, and as a result, the relationship ended. And when the relationship ended, the girl has already lost her virginity. Would it be fair? Would it be ethical that a girl suffers from depression as a result? And sometimes even commit suicide as a result of losing virginity and due to the fear of the consequences when she gets married. Is it really fair? Is it ethical? What happened to this girl? So I would very strongly argue that in this situation the victim is the girl, not the perpetrator, who was the person who was responsible for the girl losing virginity. So it is the girl that we must empathize with.